Hello children, today again I am going to teach you logarithm for class 9, but today we are going to learn prove that questions. That means we have to prove LHS equal to RHS. So you can see here example 1. In LHS we have log A square by BC plus log B square by CA plus log C square by AB equal to RHS is 0. RHS we can see it is 0. That means we have to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So always we should remember in prove that questions we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So let us begin with LHS. LHS means we will write a number that begins from log A square by BC to till just before equal to the number which ends, that is log C square by AB. So beginning from here to till this end, it is called LHS. So we wrote same number here. Now as you all know, log plus and log, that means if there is plus between two log, it is, the formula says it will be multiplication. Just I want to show you here, the formula of addition of log becomes multiplication. This is the formula we have, which I have given you in last video also. So all these three logs became single log and all the numbers they got multiplied. So here first one is here, second one is here, and third one. So all three log became single and it got multiplied. And when we simplify, when we actually cancel the numerator and denominator, you can see here 1a and here there is a square. A square means there are 2a. So here 1a, here 1a. This 2a gets cancelled with this a square. Here at the denominator 2 b's are there. This 2 b's gets cancelled with b square, and this 2c gets cancelled with c square. Then it is said when you simplify numerator and denominator and nothing remains, then it is said 1 remains. That means after simplification we got log 1. Log 1 is 0. And we can see that RHS also is 0. So we can say RHS equal to 0. So left hand side also is 0. Right hand side also is 0. So LHS equal to RHS proved. Example 2. Log 448 equal to 6 log 2 plus log 7. We have to prove LHS equal to RHS. This is LHS and after equal to it is RHS. So log, if we write LHS equal to log 448. Now 448 is a huge number, we can factorize it. So when we factorize, we could see this way 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 2's came and 1 7 came. So that we wrote here 6 2's and 1 7. So 6 2's we can write 2 power 6 and there is only 1 7 we wrote here. Now you know multiplication of single log becomes addition of two log. That means this is vice versa formula. You can see here, this was the last formula we used. Now it's time to use this formula. Multiplication becomes addition. So here same thing. This 2 multiplication has become addition. But whenever there is anything number on the power, it can come at the front. That is this formula. You can see here, number at the power comes at the front. So that formula has come. So we can see 6 log 2 plus log 7. And same number we have in the RHS also. That means I can say that RHS also is same, 6 log 2 plus log 7. So left hand side is equal to right hand side proved. Example 3, same thing here. Addition of log also, and we can see subtraction of log also. So it is said for addition we multiply and for subtraction we divide. So left hand side we wrote, and then addition part both the numbers got multiplied and minus part number got divided, because addition is multiplication and subtraction is division. I can show you subtraction becomes division, but here I wrote division in the form of numerator and denominator. But here since there are two numbers in numerator and there are two numbers in denominator, so I wrote division not in the fractional form, but I gave a symbol. But we know division symbol, if you put multiplication, numerator and denominator gets interchanged. This we have learned in the junior classes. So when we interchange, 22 by 21 became 21 by 22. Rest is same, and when we simplify here, it becomes log 1, and log 1 is again 0. So RHS also is 0, LHS equal to RHS proved. So based on these 3 examples, I have given you 4 questions. They are very similar to these examples. Like this is question number 1 similar to example 1, question number 2 similar to example 2, question number 3 similar to example 3. Whereas this is different question but very much similar to all 3 examples, and I have given hint for all the questions. Please do it. Thank you children for watching my video.